What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's a Forex that is Zambia's finest, and today is day 6 of the Forex trading challenge with a robot. We're going to see how it's been performing. So, we're going to check day 6, which will be from the 24th to 25th. Let's see. Is it the one? Yeah, so on this day it didn't trade. I'm guessing it was maybe a weekend or something. So we're going to move to day 25th to 26th, right? So day 25th to 26th, we can see that the robot didn't make a lot of profits, and this is, I think, the lowest it's made, and it made only 240.7 rands, right? Which is not bad, making it a total. Let's see the total from the 19th to 26th, so giving it a total of 1582 runs. It's not very bad for a robot that is using the smallest lot size. Anyway, that's an update. If you haven't followed me, ensure that you follow me so that you tag along with the challenge.